welcome to today's video, and today's video is going to be my March plan with me video. So I have been away for a little bit and I've got something very exciting to show you at the end of the video, and that's the reason why I've been away, because I've been working really hard on what I'm going to show you. So stay tuned for that in a little while, and let's crack straight into how I've set up my bullet journal for March. So still in my A4 Scribbles That Matter, and I absolutely adore it. Even though it's huge, I love it. Absolutely love it. So starting off with my March cover page, and I've just done a quick wreath for this month. So you've got a little peony down the corner and then a rose in this corner. And I just wanted to keep it nice and simple for a change. And then moving on, we've got my March month at a glance, which again I've kept nice and simple. So just got the usual calendar page, and then underneath we've got my tracker, my to-do list for the month, goals, notes, the challenges that I'm doing this month, and those are the Artsy Doodle challenge and Florals Your Way challenge. And I've got my weight loss and my social media trackers down here. So that's that. Now for a bit of a change this month, I've done my weeklies slightly different. So this is what my weekly looks like now. So I've still got my calendar up here. Then I've got a week's focus. So I choose something that I really want to focus on for the week, and this week happens to be efficiency, because I need to be more efficient. Then I have a little goals section underneath. Then I've got a little quote section, and underneath there we have my to-do, my achievements, and this week's playlist. Then I have my days going across the top here. So last month, let me just quickly show you. So last month and January, I had all my days on this side along with my goals and my little calendar and my quote. And then on the other side I had my memory box, my photo of the week, my achievements, my reading list, playlist, whatever it was, and then my ideas box. So this time I've switched it up and we're going across the page instead. So yeah, so we've got the days of the week across here. Then let's put you in a little bit closer, like that. No, this isn't working. There we go. Then underneath my weekday, I then have a little sleep tracker down here, because I do like to keep track of sleep. And then I've got my memory box underneath the day. Then at the bottom over here, I've got my photo of the week place, because I absolutely love doing that. It's really nice to just have a visual for the week of the best thing that you remember from that week. And then instead of ideas, I've got a little place to be me, where I can doodle, write my notes, ideas, whatever I want to write. So yeah, so I'm going to see how that works out for me this month, but I'm already really enjoying it, so fingers crossed it goes well. So I have 5 of my weeklies. I always put my weeklies together. I like it easy access. It's just the way that I am. I do weeklies at the beginning of the month and continue through. Then next for this month, I now have a study plan, because I'm now studying again, which is great fun, I must say. So yeah, so here's my study plan. So I have a box for deadlines over here, just a normal checkbox. And then I have a checkbox for problem areas. So anything that I'm struggling with, I can just jot down in there. Then I have a calendar, a horizontal layout calendar, and I have 4 boxes. So I've got the hours of study that I'm doing here, or that I plan to do, my main goal for that session of study, a tick and a cross, so did I complete that or did I not complete it, and then to remember, so anything that I need to research further or that I need to go back to, I'm going to jot down in that box. Then moving on, next is my writing tracker. Because I don't know how many of you know, but I also write as well as bullet journal and draw. So I'm working on 2 books currently, and so over here at the top I've got a little graph for words written, so how many thousand words I've wrote in the day, so I can keep track of that. And then I have another one underneath for hours editing, so I can keep track of how many hours I've been editing as well. Then I've just got which book I'm working on, so there'll be a different colour dot on my graph so that it shows which one I've been doing that day. And then at the bottom here we have goals, so what do I need to achieve in my books this month, and for review, what things am I not happy with, what do I need to work on further. So that's my writing tracker. Next we have a fitness tracker. So I did have a fitness tracker last month and I have to say it stayed pretty empty, but this month I am determined that I am going to do some form of fitness, because yes, I'm extremely slack when it comes to fitness, so I've really got to up my game, shall we say. So at the top of my fitness tracker I have waist, hips, thighs and arm measurements. So, and I'm going to measure those fortnightly. Maybe that's too much, who knows, we will see. Then I have a little tracker underneath for have I done 10,000 steps, because I'm going to be using my Fitbit as well to track this. So have I done my 10,000 steps, have I eaten 1500 calories, have I done 30 minutes exercise, so that'll all go in there. Then a sort of in-depth tracker, if you like, at the bottom, and then this is another horizontal calendar spread. So I've got my activity type, which I will log in down there. Then I have the duration that I spent on that activity, and then this is where my Fitbit comes into play. This will tell me how many calories that I've burnt during that activity. So I'm hoping to get some motivation this month and to actually start shifting myself a bit. Then next I have my beauty tracker. So I'm also a bit of a makeup and skincare addict. I love collecting makeup, shall we say. So yes, I use it, but I happen to have a rather large collection. Some girls collect handbags and shoes, I collect makeup. So in my beauty spread, for anybody else that's interested in that, I have my March Holy Grails. So I list all the favourite things that I've been loving this month in here. Then I've got new releases. I already know that there's some new releases that I'm really interested in this month, so they've been jotted down there. Then I have fails, products I didn't like this month. Empties, things that I've used up and that I would repurchase. And then at the bottom I've got an anti-haul, so products that I know are coming out and that I'm really not interested in. So that's that. And then my last page for this month is, it's Magical March, and this is a doodle challenge hosted by My Artsy Buju on Instagram, and she's absolutely fabulous. I'll link her down below so you can go and check it out and join in, because the themes that her challenges, the themes that she does with her challenges, sorry, they've been really, really fun. So last month I completed, let's show you, she did Seize the Day, and so we had an anchor, an octopus, a rope, lighthouse, waves, captain's wheel, ship, crab, seaweed, jellyfish, oar, compass, telescope and a whale. So that was last month's, and it was the first challenge that I've ever completed every day for, so I was really proud of myself for that. But yeah, her challenges are fabulous, so please do go and check her out and join in if you want to. And it's always held on an odd day on the month, so you don't have to join in every single day, and you can just jump in when you like and do as much or as little as you like. So yeah, go and take a look at that. So yeah, Magical March is going to be all magical things this month. So we've got Magic Key, Unicorn, Mushrooms, Stardust, things like that. So I'm looking forward to that. So that is my planning for March. So moving on, the thing that I've been working on for the last few weeks is designing my own stickers. So let's just show you a sample of the stickers that I've been doing. So here we have an April cover page sticker. So these come in white and clear, and they're all on my Etsy shop available to buy now. So if you want to go and check those out, I'll also link my Etsy shop down below so you can have a look. But let's put a few of them in the book. So we've got an April cover sheet. We've also got days of the week. We've got little rose parts and rose corner embellishments. We've got some month banners. And then we've got coloured days of the week. There's lots more, and they're up on my Etsy site, so go and check those out. And these I've just designed today actually, and they haven't been put up yet, but they will be put up very soon. So we've got some star signs going on here. So these are all the clear stickers, but they do come in white as well. So let's just let's show you in my sort of test bullet journal, if you like. So let's just so let's take the April cover page, and then I can show you how that appears on the page. So these are really great quality clear stickers. So as you can see, you get loads of detail on there. So, and this fits perfectly for a header in your A5 bullet journal. And the best thing about the clear stickers is you are not having any discrepancy between the colour of your journal page and a white colour of a sticker. So, and that's how it looks in the book. So let's show you another couple. So if I was going to do a spread with these, there you go, and that is how the star signs look. And then let's show you some of the roses. So if we had our spread, we can use these corner embellishments. And then we can have some leaves trailing down. So there you go, so you can make up some really pretty spreads with these. So if you want to go and check those out, my Etsy shop will be linked below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you next month with my next month's set of stickers. So happy planning for this month, and if you did like this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!